A dense white fog hung over the great Gripen Mire. मायर क्या होता है? सी द मीनिंग इज गिवन, वो एरिया जहाँ पे डीप मड होता है इनटू विच वन कैन बी सक्ड. ओके, डीप मड बहुत ज़्यादा मिट्टी होती है जिसमें कोई भी सक हो सकता है, दब सकता है, अंदर धंस सकता है. राइट. सो जो डेंस बड़ा गहरा कोहरा जो था, okay, it was spreading over the great Grimpen Mire and it was slowly moving in a direction. Now Dr. Watson says कि the fog, it was increasing, or the children, you know very well, when the fog it spreads everywhere, it's very hard to see. जब कोहरा सब फैलता है चारों तरफ तो बिल्कुल दिखाई देना बंद हो जाता है ना उस पार जो कुछ भी होता है. So he says कि white fog, it was spreading over the great Grimpen Mire and was slowly moving in a direction. और धीरे धीरे the fog, it was increasing and it was moving where these three people were. Holmes turned his face towards it. Now Sherlock Holmes, he looked at the fog. और क्या बोलते हैं फॉग को देख के? That fog is the one thing upon earth that could have upset my plans. और कहते हैं कि ये फॉग है ना, एक फॉग ही एक ऐसी चीज़ है अपॉन दिस अर्थ दैट कुड हैव अपसेट माई प्लान्स, जो मेरे प्लान्स जो है वो ख़राब कर सकता है. बट इट्स ऑलरेडी 10 o'clock, और it's already 10 o'clock, he says. Our success and Sir Henry's life depend on his coming out before the fog is over the path. Now Sherlock Holmes, he says, he becomes very much worried and he says कि due to this fogs my plans could be ruined, my plans could be spoiled, but my success and Sir Henry's life could be saved when he comes out before the fog covers the whole path. Path means the area, the way, रास्ता है ना, वो एरिया. तो कहते हैं हमारी सफलता और सर हेनरी की लाइफ डिपेंड होती है कि सर हेनरी ये फॉग पूरे एरिया में स्प्रेड हो, ठीक है, हर चीज़ को कवर करे, उससे पहले ही मस्ट कम आउट. As the fog came curling around the house, curling, you got it? Slowly and slowly the fog, it was spreading and it was covering everything. So it started covering the house also. Holmes dropped on his knees. Dropping on the knees means he sat on his knees. Okay, kneel down हो गए वो, and put his ear to the ground, and he laid his head to the ground. Why? Because he wanted to listen to the sound of the foot.